clear that soul. Who's the clown? I'm like rap, spin that flick. You know I run the town. You looking at the shooter, call me KD. The bitch is so busted, I wouldn't fuck her if she paid me. I'm rich gang, Weezy F, baby. My best friend be a Benz, our first name's Mercedes. This kid think big and get crazy, and love ladies by the bunch like the Bradys. Tell me, have you seen her? Yeah, I did. At my crib, I gave her the John Cena. Attitude adjustment. Back shot, she loved it. Hit her with the can from Paid in Full. I ain't worried about nothing. Where's the hearse? Why he ain't died yet? If I was on they side with they guys dissing niggas, they would've tried to two-chain me for being different, nigga. I'm a bad boy for life, Detroit Piston, nigga. Ain't nothing changed, I'm still a Rosemo sipping, nigga. How you broke at 30? Is you kidding, nigga? You see me on BT's, how I'm living, nigga. Check the stats of a winning nigga. Drop top in the winter. Nothing was the same like a born sinner.